Welcome to day 3 of building Blokees. We got these two, and I switched places because it's more comfortable here. Okay, so today we are opening this box. I hope I get one of the Iron Mans, maybe a Hulk or a Thanos or Thor. Which has a rarity of 4 out of 36. Most of them 4 out of 36. Iron Man are 3 out of 36 and 1 out of 36. I really want this one. Let's get into it. Also, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 boxes left. So, subscribe for more. Let's get into it. Okay, I hope I won't mess up opening this box. Okay, so far, not so good. The bag, the cape, instructions, and a stand. Oh, so according to this cape, I'm pretty sure we got Thor. Well, let's start building. This is the Thor card. Wait a second, how did this piece get in here? And we're done. Toe action. The body part and like the arms just kept falling off. I don't know why. Like maybe I didn't snap it in place together, but yeah, it just kept falling off. Honestly, it was pretty fun building this door. Although he can't really look up because of his hairpiece and the cape, so that's an issue. Alright, let's go on to the glamour shots. Oh! Like and subscribe for day 4 of building Blokees.